Hey, I'm showing you here another application for solar energy, a very interesting application, solar pumping. The solar pumping system is comprised of a solar panel, pump, and that's all in the simplest form. Actually, in real cases, there may be a need for some other items or accessories similar to any other sophisticated system. But in its simplest form, a solar pumping system is comprised of a solar panel, as you can see here. Then the motor for the pump may be AC or DC. Here, this is the DC pump. If you have a DC pump, then it's advised to have a pump controller between panel and the pump. Here, I connected them directly, but please do not do in this way, because just know I'm doing this under a controlled situation. I know the voltage output of the panel and the voltage needed for the pump, but whenever you are doing this experiment, please install a pump controller between the panel and the pump. If the motor is an AC motor, then there's an inverter needed between the solar panel and the pump also. And as you can see, here we have the water out of the pump. Let's wash the panel by the pressure of the same system. Remember that this is the simplest way of cleaning the solar panels, but please do that either in the morning or evening. Do not wash the panel with water when the sun is overhead, because this may damage the solar panel.